Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Rvshare RV Rentals app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Rvshare is a peer-to-peer RV rental platform that allows users to book motorhomes, travel trailers, campervans, and other recreational vehicles directly from verified RV owners. The app provides an easy way to browse available RVs, compare prices, review listings, and communicate with owners before booking. It's available on both iOS and Android and is widely used for vacation planning, road trips, and outdoor adventures. The app's main feature is its extensive rental marketplace. You can search by location, RV type, dates, amenities, and price range. Rvshare also includes rental protection plans, roadside assistance, and secure payments to make the experience safer and more convenient for both renters and owners. Many listings offer detailed photos, reviews, and optional add-ons to help travelers customize their trip. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate the large variety of RV options, transparent pricing, and responsive customer support. The ability to rent directly from owners often results in more personalized guidance, easier pickups, and better overall experiences. Travelers also highlight that the insurance and protection features provide added confidence when booking for long road trips. However, there are some drawbacks. Pricing can vary significantly depending on location, owner, and season, sometimes making rentals expensive during peak times. Some users report inconsistent listing quality, occasional last-minute cancellations by owners, and varying standards of cleanliness or maintenance. Since listings are managed individually, the experience can differ widely from one rental to another. In summary, the Rvshare app may be worth using if you want a wide selection of RV rentals, flexible booking options, and added protection for road trips and outdoor travel. However, if you prefer fully standardized rentals or want guaranteed uniform quality, the peer-to-peer nature of the platform may not be ideal for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.